The Wolfcom Third Eye is a 4-in-1 device. The Third Eye is more than just a body camera. It's a law enforcement tool that your officers will use in their everyday duties. Built into the unit is a speaker mic that replaces your regular two-way lapel microphones. A digital camera that can take and store over 20,000 photos. An audio recorder that can record and store over 500 hours of audio. And a body camera that can record and store over 18 hours of video. When connected to your two-way radio, the Wolfcom Third Eye can be used as a speaker mic, replacing your PTT lapel microphones you can use to listen to dispatch or to communicate with other officers. If you're using an XTS radio, you could also have the option to add a covert earpiece. The Wolfcom Third Eye mounts on your uniform with the radio cable. It also comes with a cable clip that you could use to adjust or alleviate the tension from the radio cables so that your Wolfcom Third Eye is always pointing straight. For officers or deputies that prefer to wear their speaker mics over their back across their shoulders, hanging upside down, the Wolfcom Third Eye can accommodate them by recording upside down. So it has an invert recording feature that records right side up when the unit is upside down. The Wolfcom Third Eye can also be used as an in-car camera, and with optional accessories can be easily detached from the mounting bracket on the window and attached to the body of the body camera. To activate recording, press down on the one-touch record switch and the unit will power on and will begin recording audio and video. The unit records in 1080p resolution and has a 6 to 12 hour battery and 7 days standby time. With its long battery life, your officers will be able to record an entire shift. The Wolfcom Third Eye also records the badge number, date and timestamps, and also the GPS coordinates onto every video and photo file, frame by frame and picture by picture. As a law enforcement tool, your officers will find the Wolfcom Third Eye extremely useful. They can detach the unit from their body and use it to snap photos of crime scenes, domestic violence, and property damage.
Okay, if I can just get you to stay still for a few more pictures, ma'am. Thank you for your patience.
Listen, Stephen, you've been Mirandized, okay?
And just get a little closer.
Listen, just keep quiet.
Thank you.
Sorry,
Stephen,
I didn't even,
Stephen,
I didn't do anything.
The Third Eye Visual Tactical Advantage. Better to expose your third eye than your two real eyes. The Wolfcom Third Eye police and military body camera can also be used by an officer to peek around corners or into a dark room, giving him a safe tactical advantage without exposing his body to harm. An officer can also use the third eye to record video or snap a photo for later analysis of the situation. Video or photo images from the third eye's perspective will provide officers with precious intelligence, such as how many suspects, hostages, weapons, and type of weapons, including the layout of the room or area. Our low light capability and infrared technology allows the officer to see who and what is waiting for him in the dark. With the Wolfcom mobile app, your officers can tag, classify, and do notations directly on the field. The Wolfcom Third Eye can be set up with a 2-user password system, one for the admin and one for a regular user. The admin can decide whether an officer can play back, delete, download files, or change settings. While on the field, officers can tag and favorite certain videos for easy access later on. The Wolfcom Third Eye has a built-in GPS sensor that communicates with satellites in space. GPS coordinates are stamped onto every video and photo file, frame by frame and picture by picture. And when reviewing video on our Wolfcom evidence management software, you'll be able to see the dot moving on the map with the video. This is perfect and ideal when reviewing video of a foot pursuit or a car chase, as you'll be able to see the route that took place during the course of that pursuit. We also have an in-car camera solution, so taking that same camera that your officers grabbed earlier, they just stick it onto their window, they record while they're driving, and if they want to record the back, let's say there's a suspect in the back, just flip it around and you can record the back seat. At the end of the day, your officers bring the Wolfcom Third Eye back, they dock the body cameras, and all video footage, all data is then extracted out of the cameras using our extractor, where you can see the upload status, and that's it, done. All data is then uploaded to the evidence management software, or WEMS for short. WEMS can be accessed from any computer browser on the network just by typing your credentials and you're logged in. WEMS is CJIS compliant and is designed to manage, organize, protect, and encrypt all of your digital evidence from your video camera, in-car camera, body cameras, 911 calls, audio recorders, and you could also upload police reports as well. WEMS is a robust evidence management solution that can play back, crop, and also redact. We also have smart redaction as well. Our Wolfcom storage solution is completely expandable to accommodate departments of any size, from departments as small as a 3-man department all the way to several thousands. Our storage solutions can be connected to the network or used as a standalone system and comes pre-installed with our Wolfcom evidence management software.